Right guys, so I'm going to show you how to wrap a door. I'm actually quite excited to use this. It's called F-Wrap by Fedrigoni. You know, they used to do a printed version of this, which you could print on and then you could wrap the vehicle, and it was really good to use. Okay, so first things first, we've cleaned the panel, we've cleaned the edges. So I'm on my own today. So my trick when I'm on my own, I always take a little bit off. And we're just gonna back roll it on. If you wanna buy this and you're from the UK, you can buy it from Application Tape in Rochdale. They sell everything. They are really good at what they sell. And if you ever need any tips and stuff, they're always willing to help out. So give them a call. Okay, so the panel's clean. We're gonna back roll it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put this on there. I'm just going to tack a bit of it down, and then we are going to lift this. Because we've back rolled it, there should be no contamination. Okay, so now you see the way the film is, and this is how you know this is a good quality film, because we're going to test it. We're going to glass it on and see what it is. So it lifts nicely. Look at that. Let's make the shape. So it lifts nicely. We're gonna glass just that bit on. So what I usually do, I'll just create a line here. We're gonna do the same here. There. I'm going to try and glass it on, trying to use the least amount of heat gun. So look at that. I'll tell you what, let's not squeegee anything. I just want to show you how easy it is to be fair, I kind of knew it was going to be good stuff because I've used the printed sign vinyl before, which is used to wrap. And honestly, do you know what? It is so easy. Okay, now we're going to lift this. We're going to pull it, try to get the shape. We're going to glass it over. Tack it somewhere. I'm going to tack it on the arch here. Nice. Okay, so we've glassed it now. You've seen how easy I did that. And I would say that's because of how good the material is. So now I'm going to basically squeegee all the air out, get it on. But as you can see, most of it is already glassed on. And I don't know if you noticed, I didn't use the heat gun. I will do a video on how to do a door with a much more tackier material, which is a lot harder, just so you can learn a bit of both. Now I'm going to squeegee it. Any bubbles, the air release on this is just amazing. Gone. Really good. Remember guys, if you want this and you're in the UK, contact Application Tape in Rochdale. I've been going to them for years. When I was a kid and I didn't even know what I was buying. I would go there and I'd ask them, what does this do? What does this do? What does this do? And you know what? They used to tell me. And then I'd go back and I'd think. Okay, so top bit, we're going to lift it, push it in. As you can see, no heat gun. No heat gun. Right. Okay, so we've squeegeed the top bit. Now I am going to squeegee the bottom bit. And I am going to actually do this fast. You might not be able to do it as fast. I've been doing this a long time, and I think you're going to be able to tell when I do this now. I'm not worried about them bubbles, because I know we've got good air release technology. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. How easy was that? So if I wasn't recording, I probably would have done that in 10 minutes. See? Yeah. I would have done that rapid. That, okay. Technology on it to release the air bubbles. It's really good. Okay, so very fast to apply, very easy. Similar to the more expensive wrap brands. So with this, what we're going to do, we've warmed it up. I usually just get the centre bit in. I've not got, I couldn't find my glove, so I'm showing you a microfiber towel. Make sure you get the edges. Don't ever press here first or here first, because we need them two holes to release all the air, or it's not got nowhere to go. So you're going to get a crease, and then you're going to have to cut here, you're going to have to try and lift it. It becomes a bit of a headache. Okay, so here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut any excess material off. But yeah, you know what, I really like this material. But yeah, application tape in Rochdale. That's where you can get it from. I'll put the link in the description for everyone that's from the UK. They offer next day delivery. And it's not the only thing they sell. Window tint, you name it, they've got it. Okay, so on this side, we're gonna cut against the edge of the quarter panel. So we're gonna get a bit of that overhang. We've already tucked that top bit in, make sure it's tucked in. Blade against that top trim. You only want it to go in a little bit because you don't want to scratch the door or anything like that behind it. The finish on this satin black is very nice as well. Yeah, you know what, I actually really like this material. I've been doing this for 12 years. It's not often I'd say I like a new brand, but this stuff, I just know. And I think I will do a video to show you the difference on vinyl wrapping with good quality stuff and the not so good quality stuff. The difference. I could probably wrap this car in a day. With this. And it's a Porsche Cayenne. Yeah, I could wrap this in a day. Using this. So with that, we cut against the edge of the door. For this, we've got a rubber side skirt, so we're just going to cut against that. Here, we're going to cut against the arch. Done. Okay, we're going to open this door. That conformed. Very nice. Honestly, the more and more I'm using this brand, the more and more I'm liking it. Okay, this top part, get the squeegee in, tuck that extra bit in, done. Nice. Okay, so at this edge, we're just going to give it a slight bit of heat. I'll always do the corners first. We're going to get that over. Nice. This material conforms very nicely. So the studio here is being built. We are going to be having a lot more quality content coming soon, which I'm excited to show you. I've got the lads here, which we're going to be showing you all sorts. You know, we're going to have entertainment, we're going to have a podcast, not just teaching you how to wrap. We're going to have all sorts. So on this side, we're just going to do the same as we do on that side. We've got an overhang. We are just going to, there's a rubber here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put it behind there. Make sure that area is clean or it's not going to stick. Get your squeegee and really clean that area. Okay. So that's done. I'm going to give it a quick clean and then I'm going to show you the finishing. Right guys, so here it is, the finished product. That's the top edge. Side edges all in. Yeah. Tucked in behind the rubber. Just remember guys, if you want to buy this brand, you can get it from Application Tape in Rochdale. And I tell you what, this is some good shit.